Hi, it's George again over at Imports for Less, here today filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us today. Pretty special car. This one will be available on the website within the next day or two. What we're checking out today is a BMW 2017. This is a 550i, so it's a V8 model. This is a GT, the Gran Turismo body style, and it is an xDrive all-wheel drive. So 550i GT xDrive all-wheel drive, black car, black interior, 2017 with 34,000 miles. We're going to take a quick walk around, tell you a little bit about the car. So if you're not familiar with the GT model, this is the model with the hatchback. This is basically, they call this a 5 Series GT, but this is basically sitting on a 7 Series, a short wheelbase 7 chassis, so a lot more back seat room. Basically getting a 7 Series for the price of a 5. So let's take a quick walk around here. Again, super clean condition, only 34,000 miles. This is a one owner, clean history, nice car, and this one's got great options. So it's got the safety package, the driver assist plus with active cruise control, so which is a standalone option, the active cruise. Lane assist, blind spot assist, all the safety stuff, heads up display. This one does have soft closed doors, heated and ventilated seats. You can see the panoramic moonroof, which we'll take a look at here in a second. But really fantastic condition and great options. Soft closed doors are nice. It does have the rear door sunshades on it. We'll take a look at those in a second. Let's see, the interior is black. You can see the dark wood trim in here. Navigation is active. You can see the heads-up display poking up over there. But really nice, clean overall condition. Nothing to talk about condition-wise. Looks nice, smells nice. It's exactly what you thought. Optional seats. Really nice, clean overall condition. Let's take a look at the back seat. Much like the front, nothing really to talk about condition-wise. Nice, clean. Like I said, it's got the panoramic moonroof, which is nice. See, that's basically about 80% or 70% of the size of the roof. So you can check out our website at eimports.com. That's where you'll see a full breakdown of the window sticker. You'll get a Carfax report, auto check report, and more information than you need to make an intelligent decision. That's at eimports.com. If you're interested in owning this one, you want to buy it before somebody beats you to it, give us a call here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.